Hello. Welcome to watch my YouTube video on a breadboarding project. This project is to make a simple flashlight with a push-button control. The components required are LED bulb, breadboard cables, a push button, a 1K ohm resistor, a 2.2K ohms resistor and a breadboard. Connect the red LED to pin D7 of the board and the push button to pin D6. This picture shows an alternative way to ground. For the push button, the grounding is at row 12 instead of a GND pin. Let's go through the code now. The first three lines are the definition of interfaces and variable. It defines the interface for digit 7, digit 6 and variable val. Under the setup function, the LED is set as output and the button set as input. In the main body, the code will read the value of the push button. If the val returned indicates that the button is pressed, the LED bulb will be lighted. Once the button is released, the LED bulb will goes off. Alright, that's all I want to share for the project. Thank you.